Variability and throughput loss, the cases of throughput loss. We said in the previous topic that variability can create waiting time, even though the capacity is sufficient to serve all the demand. So implied utilization is less than 1. Also, when you have implied utilization less than 1, we might have throughput losses, which means basically that some demand is never actually served. Either it is completely lost or it is redirected to another server. So let's consider first two cases of lost throughput. Why can we lose demand? We might lose it because we have a limited buffer, and when the buffer is full, the demand that is arriving is lost. And the other case is there could be impatience. So when customers wait and they wait a long time, they might decide to give up and disconnect, let's say, from the call center, and maybe they will shift to another service, the competing company. Both cases are actually much harder to analyze than the case in the previous topic when we were just estimating the average waiting time. And we will only consider in this topic the simplest case of throughput loss, which assumes that there is zero buffer. So basically, there is no buffer. And we will consider this case mainly to develop insights, not to be able to solve particular practical cases. Practical cases might be solved through some simulation or maybe some studies observing the actual systems, the actual operations.